Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A7 Sportsback Black Edition, finished in a moonlight blue. The car's got the matrix LED headlights with the dynamic sweep indicators at the front, the 360-degree parking sensors with the front headlight washer jets. And moving around to the side of the vehicle, we have the 21-inch 5-arm design alloy wheels, high gloss black surrounds on the exterior windows with the privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, dynamic sweep indicators with the electronic retractable rear spoiler, full power tailgate, reverse camera with the rear parking sensors and also the twin polished chrome exhaust. This is an Audi user approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car's also got the sunroof, acoustic double glazing with the pillarless doors, piano gloss black inlays with the electronic memory seats with full BOSE surround sound and also the extended leather on the interior of the door cards, full Valcona leather with the electronic slide tilt and 4-way lump support with the automatic headlights and wipers, and a 3-spoke perforated leather S-line steering wheel with cruise control, tiptronic gearbox with heated seats, and Audi's MMI display with navigation and also the reverse camera. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A7, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.